Which wheel and tire cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, I'm breaking down 5 top options that could make your car shine like new. Product number 1, Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser. First up is the Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser. Priced at $11.99, this isn't just any cleaner. What caught my attention is its heavy-duty formula that's been a bestseller with over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want a powerful degreaser that tackles grease, oil, and grime effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to break down tough dirt and road grime in no time. The professional strength formula means it works on engines, tires, undercarriages, and tools, so you can trust it to deliver a deep clean. And with a fresh citrus scent, cleaning won't feel like a chore. Plus, it's been flying off the shelves with 5,000+ sales just last month, which speaks to its effectiveness. Now, some people have complained about how the spray nozzle can clog up if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and give it a quick rinse after use, this is a minor issue that shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're someone who regularly deals with tough grease and grime, but skip this one if you're looking for a simple spray-and-go solution. For the price, it offers great cleaning power without breaking the bank. Now, if the idea of a heavy-duty cleaner feels overwhelming, wait till you see the next product that takes a gentler approach. Product number 2, Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Next up is the Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. At just $4.47, this option is budget-friendly and has a solid reputation with 2,800 reviews and a 4.5-star rating. If you're looking for something effective but easy on the wallet, this could be a great choice. It's gentle enough for all wheel types, including alloy and chrome, which means you don't have to worry about damaging your rims. To use, just saturate your wheels and tires, let it soak for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. The result? Beautifully clean and shiny wheels that make your car pop. However, a few users pointed out that it might not be strong enough for extremely dirty conditions. But honestly, for regular maintenance and light cleaning, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something quick and easy to use regularly. Skip it if you're dealing with heavy-duty grime regularly and need a more potent cleaner. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a professional-grade clean. Product number 3, Adams Polishes Wheel and Tire Cleaner Gallon. Coming in at number 3 is Adams Polishes Wheel and Tire Cleaner in a gallon size for $34.99. With over 9,900 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, this one caught my eye because it promises to eliminate dirt, browning, and brake dust effectively. If you're serious about keeping your wheels looking brand new, this is worth considering. What's great about this cleaner is that it's safe for various finishes like chrome and alloy, so you don't have to worry about damaging your rims. It quickly targets heavy brake dust, restoring tires back to their factory color, which is something a lot of us want. Plus, it has a high sudsing formula that helps lift off stubborn contaminants, making cleaning effortless. Some users mention that it can be a bit pricey if you're just looking for a quick clean. But look, if you care about your vehicle's appearance and want a cleaner that does more than just the basics, this is a worthwhile investment. This is perfect if you're into detailing and want your wheels to look pristine. Skip this if you're just looking for something to use once in a while. For the quality and results, it justifies the cost. Now, if you're looking for a smaller option without compromising on quality, the next cleaner could be just what you need. Product number 4, P&S Brake Buster Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Next, we have the P&S Brake Buster Wheel and Tire Cleaner, retailing for $34.99. This cleaner boasts a 4.6-star rating from over 6,100 reviews, showing it's well-loved among users. If you want a professional-grade cleaner that's safe for all wheel types, this should be on your radar. The Brake Buster excels at removing brake dust and grime. Its non-acid formula means you can use it on any wheel finish without fear of damage. The foaming action helps it cling to surfaces, making it easier to rinse off dirt and debris. It even leaves behind a protective coating to repel grime, which is super handy for keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. However, some users found that it requires a bit more elbow grease for heavy-duty dirt. But honestly, if you're maintaining your wheels regularly, this won't be an issue. This is a great fit if you want something that combines safety and effectiveness in one. Skip it if you tend to let dirt pile up between cleans. It's a solid value for the quality you receive. Now let's talk about the final product, which is a smaller size but still packs a punch. Product number 5. Adams Polishes Wheel and Tire Cleaner 16 Oz. Finally, we have the Adams Polishes Wheel and Tire Cleaner in a 16 Oz bottle, priced at $11.99. It shares a 4.5-star rating with a loyal customer base of over 9,900 reviews. If you want a smaller option that doesn't skimp on performance, this deserves a look. It's safe for various finishes, so you can use it worry-free. With its high sudsing feature, it effortlessly tackles dirt and grime, making your cleaning routine much easier. The downside, some users mentioned that they preferred the gallon size for more frequent use. But honestly, if you're just doing a quick clean now and then, this 16 Oz size is perfect and won't take up too much space. This is perfect if you're looking for a reliable cleaner that's easy to handle and store. Skip it if you're detailing cars professionally and need larger quantities regularly. For the price and performance, it's a fantastic choice. Now, to wrap things up, let's compare all 5 products briefly. To sum it up, we've got the Chemical Guys for heavy-duty cleaning, Armor All for budget-friendly maintenance, Adams Gallon option for serious detailers, P&S for professional performance, and Adams smaller size for those who need something compact. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. Happy cleaning!